Hi there Songbirds, Kerri from the songbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And today I'm so excited. It is our very first vocal critique video today on the channel. So I asked you to send a video to me of you singing so that you could be included in a video that I would create to basically give you some comments on the channel. And so many of you were so brave. Thank you so much. So today is our very first. It's from a lovely girl named Missu. So let's take a look at her video.
Kerri, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. I'm Missu, I'm 21 years old and I'm an amateur singer. I love singing and enjoy it, but whenever I start straining, it's not enjoyable anymore. So I would like to thank you for this opportunity. And I have one question before I start singing. Like, I have a natural soft voice. Can I make it stronger, and how? Yes, and thanks. Just gonna sing Let It Go. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that once can draw me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. The perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rain down. The cold never bothered me anyway. Thank you.
Hello Missu, so good to get your video. Now the first thing I want to say to you girl is I was so sad that you covered your beautiful face with an emoji. I really hope that this doesn't mean that you actually hide your voice from your friends and family. You've got a beautiful voice girl, you've got this natural beautiful tone, you've got really good foundations. You need to be showing your voice out in the world. So I hope that next time you would send me a video where you don't hide your face. That would be amazing. So please do not hide your voice. That's the first thing I want to say. The second thing I want to say is that you did ask a question at the beginning of your video, which was you basically said that you felt like your voice was naturally very soft, and you asked me how could you strengthen it. So girl, I really need to tell you that your voice is not soft. You do not have a weak voice. That could be what you're actually, basically hinting at. You actually have a very solid tone. It is very resonant. It is very sweet as well. Your pitch is quite solid. Your transitions through your low all the way through to your mid to your high range is actually really seamless. And you really tackled a very, very difficult song. Like, this is one of the biggest songs, the biggest Disney, princess ballads, right? It's got many high belt notes that are on the edge of of a female range. So for someone so young and inexperienced when it comes to your singing and training, you seriously tackled this song very, very well. All right. I say you just need to keep on working on your voice to continue to bring out more that you already have in you. But girl, you've got some beautiful natural talent there. I encourage you to continue in it and to stop thinking that you aren't good enough or that your voice is too soft or too weak, because that's just simply not true. So I've just told you also in that what I just said, my feedback about your voice. So I hope you're encouraged with that. Now let me give you a couple of things to make it even better. Now you can apply this through the whole song, but I'm going to focus right now on there's two particular lines towards the end where it goes super high, like we're talking, E flat 5 and belted, high female belt. It's pretty hard, and there's the two lines there that I want to help you to just make it a lot more effortless, because it got a little bit caught, got a little bit strainy in the throat, which is so natural and so normal. Happens to me all the time. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to make that better. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our trusty straw. Now, if you have not seen my videos on how to sing through a straw and about straw phonation, I encourage you to go have a look at that first, and so that you understand the straw technique before you try it. But what we're going to do is literally sing those 2 lines on a straw first. So the lines I'm talking about are light of day and let the storm rage on. So it's literally the last 2 lines in the song, okay? So we're just going to over a straw, okay? Do it again. Oops, maybe I won't try playing. And again. Okay, and now try singing it. Light of day. Okay, and now I want you to think about something. So doing the straw just helped you to really loosen everything up, okay, and make sure that there wasn't too much effort. Now I'd like you to be intentional about preparing for this particular line. I'd like you to lift your soft palate. So as you're about to sing this song, you are going to intentionally lift the back of the roof of your mouth, okay? How do you do that? So why don't you pretend to sneeze with me? Just go, Hachoo, okay? Hachoo. So you know in that pre-sneeze that you should have felt the back of the roof of the mouth kind of lift up. Just keep practicing that and you'll be able to get that feeling. Now before you get onto that line, you go, right? You sort of pretend you're about to sneeze and then you sing the line, okay? So let's try it again. We're going to go straw and then we're going to go lift the soft palate, okay? And now soft palate. Light of day. Okay? Now the other thing is vowels. So you sung it a little bit like like light, you know, light of day, okay? That can make things really hard. What you want to do is keep it as open as possible. So you're going to sing light as just light. So light of day. So as big as you can, right? So instead of going light of day, you know, just made it a bit difficult, go light of day, okay? So there you go, a few tips there. And what I'd like you to do is apply the same thing for that final line, which is the let the storm rage on. So straw. And again. Okay, soft palate. Let the storm rage on. Okay? Yeah, and that's it. So in terms of the vowels there, not too bad. Just with the on, don't make it too closed. Don't be like, let the storm rage on, and then it gets a bit, you know, caught in the throat. Just open your mouth a bit more. Let the storm rage on. Okay? All right. I really hope that helped you, Missu, and I'm sure that whoever else is watching, even if you're not singing the song, let it go. You can apply everything I just said to any song that you sing that you find that you strain on and that there's a lot of high belt notes, okay? So thank you again for your video. Keep singing. Don't hide your voice. That's the main thing I want to say to you, girl. Missu, alright? You're amazing. Alrighty, so if any of you who are watching the video right now would like a bit more information on how do you, like, perfectly, flawlessly, in the right order, warm up your voice and also build your voice as you're doing it, please go and check out a free resource I have. Just click on the link below and you'll be led to get my ultimate vocal warm-up guide completely for free, and you're gonna absolutely love it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so that you will never miss a video. And of course, I'd love to connect with you on social media, so please go and follow me on Facebook and also Instagram at the Songbird Tree. Alright, I am always believing in you, Songbird. Keep singing, get grounded, take flight and sing. I'll see you next time. Bye!